Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell things fast on OfferUp. Basically boils down to three things. The first thing is that you can obviously lowball, meaning be the lowest price on the market, but I'm sure you know that already. But these next two things I'm going to show you are basically better ways to make more money but still sell things fast. So the second way is to take better product photos. Now, I'm not saying go buy light so that you can actually take better product photos, but what I am saying is utilize all the images that OfferUp gives you to actually take photos of your product, and then just use natural light, like from this window that you see over here. Natural light is the best light I use, and it really is a good light. Like I said, you don't need to use your own softbox light, but use natural light and take photos of your products. Now, the third thing, and I do this in the description of all my OfferUp listings, and I've probably made over like 800 sales on OfferUp thus far, is to compare your price to the product itself on Amazon. So what I mean by this is that in the description of my OfferUp listings, let's pretend that I'm selling a camera. What I'll say is this camera is like new. It comes with all the parts. The price of what it is 30% of what it is on Amazon. So that little subsection in which I say what the price is compared to Amazon usually gets people to buy it, because Amazon is the largest retail, right, online retailer. And so with it, people are always going to see, okay, oh, how much is this product on Amazon? So if you are selling a camera or shoes, for example, just simply tell them, hey, the price of this product is 20% of what you'll find it on Amazon. That is what's going to help convert people better, just because of that comparison price. So I hope you found this video helpful. It's helped me sell more things on OfferUp, but let me know if you have any questions.